Access to information is critical to so many different job functions across an organization. So what about the segment of your workforce that isn't tied to a cubicle? The deskless, traveling, or field service workers, like those in the warehouse or on the manufacturing shop floor, delivery drivers, visiting nurses, and insurance claim adjusters, just to name a few. They are very prevalent in many industries and often have just as much of a need to access content and information as their desk-bound counterparts. OnBase mobile and briefcase clients are the perfect answer to meet their needs, providing them easy and even offline access. OnBase mobile apps, available for iOS, Android, and Windows devices, allow on-the-go access to content and processes. Let's take a look at just a couple scenarios. Steve Gates, an insurance field inspector, logs in and can immediately perform quick document searches, access workflow inboxes, and execute tasks, upload photos and document images, create and edit forms, and manage assigned work online or offline in his mobile briefcase. Steve decides to take a quick look at the briefcase. Here, Steve can see units of work that have been added to his briefcase. Some may be copies stored on his local device for offline access, and others may only exist online. With a couple of taps, he can download all of his assignments to ensure he has access should he lose his network connection. While out in the field, Steve has a claim to work on. He can browse documents and add notes and annotations, review and update forms, create new forms, or capture document images and photos while working offline. OnBase automatically applies color settings, deskewing and cropping to the image, and also provides him options to apply his own image processing preferences. When a network or cellular connection becomes available, Steve can sync his work back up into OnBase and move on to his next assignment. And that's just one way OnBase meets the needs of deskless workers with mobile and offline access. For those whose needs require an even more robust offline experience, OnBase provides a full Windows desktop client experience to manage and work with content when a network connection is unavailable. These are just a couple examples that illustrate how OnBase can support the needs of deskless and mobile workers, providing them a complete view of the information they need, whether away from the cubicle, a network connection, or both. Find out more about all the things OnBase can do for you on OnBase.com.